So if you've never been involved in an accident before and now you're injured in either a slip and fall, a car accident, or any other type of accident, you might know that there are certain things that you should do and certain things that you shouldn't do. Hi, I'm DiMartino. I am a Florida injury and accident lawyer, and today I'd like to talk about two things that you should never discuss with your healthcare provider or doctor. The first thing is this: you shouldn't discuss any conversations that you had with the insurance company, either your insurance company or the other insurance company, or the insurance adjuster. And this is how it might happen. You might have just gotten off of the phone with the insurance adjuster. You go into the doctor's office. The adjuster told you something that you didn't like, that you didn't want to hear, or they were fighting with you, or they weren't paying a bill. And you walk into the doctor's office and they say, "What's going on?" And you tell them, "Well, I just got off the phone with Allstate, or I just got off the phone with State Farm, and they're denying liability, and they say that it's my fault, or that I had a pre-existing condition, or blah, 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 blah." The nurse or the medical assistant is writing this down dutifully in the record. This information becomes part of your permanent medical record, and the insurance company will see it when it comes time to demand the case. The insurance attorney might see it if a lawsuit is filed, and a jury might see it if you have to take the case to trial. The second thing that you should never discuss with your healthcare provider are discussions that you had with your lawyer regarding your case. Anything that your lawyer or their staff tells you is covered by the attorney-client privilege. So for instance, if the paralegal calls you up and says, "Mr. DiMartino just took somebody's deposition or just did a witness statement, and that person is for us or that person is against us, and we're going to go ahead and do A, B, and C," and you go into your doctor's office and you say, "Well, I just got off the phone with my lawyer, and my lawyer says my case is great because this happened or that happened," and that gets put into your medical records, you're destroying the privilege between our communications, and then you're giving the other side information that can be used against you. You see, there are things that you should never discuss with your healthcare provider. What you should discuss with your healthcare provider is the way that the injuries from the accident have impacted your life, what's going on, whether the treatment is helping or not. You should not discuss your claim. If you have any questions about the do's and don'ts after a Florida injury and accident, you can always give me a call directly on my cell phone at 352-267-9168, or visit my website and blog. Thank you and have yourself a great day.